I am in the Cresswind community by Coulter Homes here in Wesley Chapel, North Carolina. This community will have a total of under 700 homes. It is an active adult community located here in North Carolina. We are probably about 60 minutes to the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, and I want to show you all the fantastic options and teach you a little bit more about this community. So if you are looking for an active adult community in the Wesley Chapel or Monroe area of North Carolina, then you want to check out Cresswind by Coulter Homes. Let's have a look. Cresswind Community is located just 25 minutes from Uptown Charlotte and 25 minutes from the popular South Park Mall area and the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. This community will have less than 700 homes that are going to be in the community total. There are many floor plans for you to choose from. There are about 11 floor plans for you to choose from in this community. And if you're interested in taking a look, there are 9 staged model homes that you can tour in this community to decide what you want to build. Here is a view of all of the social activities for the next 6 months. In this community, you're going to find so many different options. There are homes ranging from 2,700 square feet all the way up to 3,500 square feet. Actually, there are even homes as low as 2,000 square feet, starting in the low 400s and going all the way up to the high 500s. This community has a lot of great amenities for its residents. Let's take a look. There is a full clubhouse in this community. It is there for the residents to enjoy. There is a full-time lifestyle and activities director here. There is a private clubhouse for residents to enjoy that has things like coffee, television, big island bar for you to gather, a big outdoor covered patio, pool tables for you to hang out with your buddies. There's also a really fantastic full fitness center with yoga and aerobics room. There's an indoor pool with lap lanes. There's also an arts and crafts room. There is a social ballroom and so much more. You're going to absolutely love the lifestyle here in the Cresswind communities. The outdoor amenities, they have 4 pickleball courts, some tennis courts, they have bocce ball, resort style pool, fireplace, and a grilling yard. The full-time lifestyle director keeps the social. We're going to have a look at this floor plan. This is the Julia floor plan, so let's go have a look inside. Again, there's 9 different models for you to tour when you come to this facility. This is the Julia. It is a ranch home. It's actually 1.5 story, has a little small finished room over the garage here, but here we are in the entryway. Look at all of the designer touches. You can see the nice chair railing. This is a guest room to the front of the house. It could, also be used as an office space. Here is the formal dining room that's currently staged as a nice sitting area that leads right into the main living space. So much space in this main living room with space for formal dining. It leads right out to the backyard patio, the backyard fully covered patio that can be screened in there too, so you can go outside on those cool summer mornings, enjoy your coffee or tea, and just spend some time outside with nature. But there's also plenty of room on the main level for entertaining. So if you love to entertain or you have family that comes over to visit on the weekends, you have more than enough space for everybody to gather together. Look at this spacious kitchen. It really is super, super big. And then back here, we're going to see the primary bedroom. So look at all the designer features that are in the primary bedroom. Look at that ceiling. It's super gorgeous. Trade ceiling with some nice little designer touches. Super large windows that bring in plenty of natural light into the primary bedroom. The doorways in this model home, and actually in most of the model homes in this area, are very large, wide doorways, plenty of room, high ceilings. Here is the ensuite. It has a double vanity, super high ceilings in here, and it also has a very large walk-in shower that you just open the door and step into. So as you can see here, there's lots of space down here. If you are interested in learning more about the Cresswind community, or you want to tour some of the model homes, please be sure to reach out. I would be more than happy to make an appointment, and it would be my honor to serve you if you are looking for a great active adult community in the Charlotte area.